keeps her promise. Mrs. McAdams lived all alone in a little house on a small country lane. Ever since her husband died, her only visitor was a young girl called Kiara. Kiara would come every week to visit Mrs. McAdams and help her complete tasks around the house. Mrs. McAdams enjoyed her company a lot. Mrs. McAdams used to get very lonely on Christmas, so Kiara promised to visit her every year on Christmas. One year, there was heavy rainfall on Christmas Eve. Mrs. McAdams could not see the road from her house. She knew Kiara would not be able to come and was very sad. However, Kiara was adamant on visiting Mrs. McAdams. When her car could go no further, she decided to walk in the snow all the way to Mrs. Adams' house. It was very cold and dangerous to go by herself, but Kiara did not want to break her promise. Carmen builds a bridge. In South America, there are many villages that are cut off from the rest of the world because they lack proper bridges. One day, Carmen saw a documentary on TV about a village where there was no bridge. The villagers had to put themselves across a rope. Carmen decided to help the villagers. She started a campaign to raise money for building a bridge in order to connect the village to the rest of the world. A large amount of money was required, and many felt that it would be very difficult. However, Carmen had set her heart on achieving her goal, and she did not give up in the face of insurmountable odds. She went far and wide for public support to raise the money. Once she had raised the money, Carmen and her friends went to the village themselves and ensured that the bridge was built in their presence. Father Liam saves a murder suspect. Father Liam was the head of a church in Ireland. He was very popular and helpful. Everyone in the village respected him. One day, a man, Adrian, entered the church. Father Liam had seen his face on the news and knew he was wanted for murder. Adrian swore he was innocent and asked for sanctuary. According to church rules, any man who asked for sanctuary would be safe in the church. When the police came, Father Liam refused to turn over Adrian to them. Adrian wanted another investigation to be done, as some important evidence had been overlooked. Till the police did not agree, Father Liam kept Adrian safe, even though the whole village turned against him for harboring a murderer. However, Father Liam knew that the real courage lay in doing what was right and not giving in to public opinion. The second investigation proved Adrian innocent. Madison follows her heart. Madison belonged to a rich family. She was brought up in wealth and never wanted for anything. As she grew older, she began to develop genuine sympathy for others' suffering and trials. When Madison became an adult, she decided to donate all her money to a charity and live among the poor and work for them. This was not an easy decision. Madison knew she would have to face many difficulties. She knew that by giving away all her money, she would lose many pleasures of life. Many people tried to dissuade her. However, Madison had made up her mind. She had the courage to follow her heart, even though it led her onto a hard and difficult path. Despite all the problems she faced later on in life, Madison never regretted her decision. She felt the blessings of the poor were worth more than all the money in the world.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.